sit back, relax, enjoy. You are in the vlog for Jamshedpur, and this is about how to maintain your diet. And my bro is here, who is with me,
Hello guys.
and he's come here to just give me a drop. And guys, we will head off to the Jamshedpur, and we will show you how to maintain the diet. And again, we will show you the diet what I am carrying, and do not miss your diet when you are in bodybuilding field. Okay, so let's move on to our next. So guys, good morning. As I woke up, it's almost 12:30 and it's Raksha Bandhan, and I am doing brush. So we will go to it's a vlog day of Jamshedpur, and we will see how to maintain the fitness. I am showing you right now my bicep and the conditioning. So guys, I had arrived yesterday and I had not able to work out because of the routines, and I will start the workout from tomorrow, and I will show you guys how to work out harder in the traveling, and I will give you the home tour. Now let's do the brush. After doing the brush, we will head off to the Raksha Bandhan to my sisters, and we will go there and see what happened the next. And again, we will show you some best tourist place of the Jamshedpur. So let's be on the vlog. And if you have not subscribed into our channel, make sure to subscribe into channel for further quality updates video. So when you wake up in the morning early, make sure if you are a fitness in the fitness line, you should not take the saliva before. Okay, now what you have to do is, before taking food without brushing is very beneficial for your health. Why? Because when you are doing or eating the food before brushing your teeth, what happens? The saliva, it has a nutrient which you can had the benefit from it. Again, what you have to do is, when we will move on to our next fitness video, it will be next level fitness program. And again, the program which is coming, Ultimate Shred, wait for it guys, is Ultimate Fat Loss Program coming soon in my YouTube channel. Again, let's continue our vlog. I will get ready and dress up, and I will show you my outfit for the Raksha Bandhan today. And let's meet special, and I will show you the special place where you can go and see the difference. And I will show you the whole Jamshedpur. This is the new tour. Be with me. I will show you the next level thing here, and I will show you the workouts plus the what I am eating today, foods which I am going to eat. And again, we will meet you soon. Be on to my. So guys, today is Raksha Bandhan, so in a special day, don't be a gym rat. Don't be indulge in always foods that you eat, or it's a fitness food only. Again, what is happen is, today I am eating to it. It's a valuable thing and healthy plus unhealthy too. So we will see it again. What is there? So as you can see, it's a kheer. It's made up of milk plus rice, and it's contain dry fruit too, as you can see here. And I am taking puri, which is made up of sattu. So sattu is Bihar's most good food. We eat sattu in all the things. Again, what is that is, this one contain many of the calories, but it's healthy and plus unhealthy too. But it's home food and you can eat it. So that's the occasion, and I am eating this. So let's meet you after getting outfit and ready. So guys, as I am ready, and my outfit you can see, this is my outfit right now, and we are heading off for Raksha Bandhan. So we will show you. So this is my outfit totally, and we are moving currently to Lakshmi Nagar for my sister, and we will go there and we will tie the Rakhi. and all the stuff. I will show you the celebration for all the things. Make sure be on this video. Okay, let's meet. So guys, we are moving. This is apartment. You can either go from this, but we will go from the lift. My bro had come here.
Yo.
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
I will put his link. You can follow him on Instagram. Let's So guys, right now we are moving down to the ground floor. Okay, so let's go. Ground floor. Finally, we have reached to the ground floor on this area. Let's switch off everything. Here are my two main people. This is the main killer boy, my criminal, and this is one. So those who are in Jamshedpur, make sure contact him. He is BJP's member. And this is the ground floor. And which car we are going? So this is our car. We will go to our next ride. So guys, finally we are going for Raksha Bandhan to Lakshmi Nagar for my sisters. Watch this with our travel journey to her house. Okay, so this is going to not. So I don't want to make video too long. So watch this with the music. I am putting it fast. It's called time lapse video. Okay, so see it whole journey. Okay, now let's meet on to her house. Finally, we reach to our Bua's house and we will have Raksha Bandhan. So almost heading it up, meeting my Buas with my families and going up for Raksha Bandhan. Finally at the home. Let's go upward and see. So we are heading up and guys, you can see the biceps. Finally. Making Raksha Bandhan, we are going to eat and you are going to see. So we will move to our next destination. guys, finally we have reached the mall, Asia's third largest Prakash Jha mall. So you can see the cinematic of this area, and it's the Asia's third largest and the best mall. I will show you the interior. Let's go inside the mall and just watch. So finally reached this mall with my family. Say hi to my YouTube viewers. Let's go inside the mall. Finally we are moving to this. Here, this mall is made by a director called Prakash Jha. And finally, as you can see guys, this mall is so big enough to get a tour. This is the scene behind me and it's incredible. You can follow me on Instagram for good quality pictures of here. Finally we are in the mall and let's go with my bros. Not allowed in this mall, and again right now I am vlogging with very hard condition. As you can see, the stuff behind me is too hard to maintain here. And again I will show you the vlog as continue video shooting is not available. Maybe voiceover is here for that, and we will shoot the photo and move to our next. So finally reach here and you can see the view from the upwards, and that's the perfect view and you can visit here. This is the food court where you can enjoy with your family and your friends. This is the upper part of the mall and we are exiting this mall. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Heading out of here, I'm going to the home. This is the last scene. Thank you guys. So as guys, finally we had shot many of the things because video is not allowed due to the corona period of the time. Again I want to say is how much shot I have taken of this mall is maybe I tried at most of the time, and finally I grabbed most of the shot. So as much I can show of this here vlog. Let's end this vlog. See you soon in the next vlog. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel if you are new to the channel for quality updates.